Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very simple way to turn a package of stickers into a bunch of little stud earrings. This particular package came with 2 sheets with 70 each, and because of that you could literally make 70 sets of stud earrings from this one package of stickers, and I believe this package was about $4. The only other thing you're going to need for this project is some UV resin, and you can buy this on Amazon or on eBay, and then some of these little studs. And these you can buy at most craft stores. Something to note about the stickers you're going to pick out is you want to make sure that they're the poofy stickers. It really helps. They're a lot stronger than flat stickers.
Now it's time to choose our sticker, and I think we're just going to go in with the little blue cupcake. We're just going to place our stickers face down and then go in with our little earring backs and give them a pretty good push down onto the stickers. That way they stick pretty well. Then we're going to get a cup with a little toothpick. That way we can pour some of our resin out. Then we're going to take that toothpick and go in right over the back of our earring backs. And we're going to want to make sure to get the entire back of our sticker completely coated with our resin. Now we're just going to go into our other earring and repeat the process. And then hit it with a black light. Once the back is completely cured, we're just going to go over the top with a little dot of resin. And you're going to want to make sure that the top is completely coated as well as the sides. You're going to want the resin to go a little bit over the edge on the side. That way your 2 sets of resin connect. And then once again, we're just going to hit it with that black light. Rotating it helps cure all sides evenly. Then we're just going to repeat the process to finish off our second earring. For gifting, I definitely suggest throwing it onto an earring card. It just makes it look a lot more professional.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.